Alright guys, I just pulled up to our shop. I have our aluminum trailer with me. I also have my Colorado. I got it back this morning. I have the paperwork right here. We spent $1,809.17 to put a new cat in this thing, which is kind of crazy. But basically it was some studs, the cat, a gasket, some nuts, another gasket, actually 2 more gaskets I guess. So bunch of stuff, and then labor was $558 just to do this. So pretty expensive just for a cat in this. But the reason I have our trailer with me is we were cleaning out our shop today, and we have a lot of forms here. You probably remember from past videos, all of our forms are on pallets back there. So I'm gonna hop in our forklift and get all of the forms loaded on now. We also have like the ground protective mats and some other stuff. I'm gonna see how much I can squeeze onto this trailer that is all going up to our Dutchess yard. So let me hop in the forklift, we'll get all that moved, and then we'll start working on cleaning up the rest of the shop here.
¿Qué tú quieres? ¿Que te come el tigre?
I gotta lift it like this.
Yeah, or let me go on the other side. One sec. I can see the other side. Right there, there's more. Vámonos, vámonos, vámonos. Vámonos, abajo, abajo. Vámonos, un poquito más. Oso, oso, oso. Oh, suéltalo, más. Un poco de chase.
Alright guys, we got everything all strapped down, ready to go up to our Dutchess yard. I backed the trailer in here to strap it in the shade rather than doing it out in the sun. But we have quite a bit in the shop left to get out of here. We have a pallet on the front of the forklift here, which that needs to go. I'll probably put this in the bed of my truck. It's all the loose stuff. We need this truck to get buttoned up. Matt is coming back on, I believe, Monday to finish that. But these have to go up to our Dutchess yard. This bucket has to go to our Dutchess yard. That jackhammer attachment has to go. That big bucket has to go. And then we have one more pallet of forms that need to go. So I'm gonna bring the trailer back down with me tomorrow and grab all of this stuff. And then everything else here that is just loose, we're going through tomorrow and cleaning up. We have a bunch of aluminum stacked. We'll do a aluminum run. We have garbage in this dump truck, so we have quite a bit going on here, but we need to get this clean by the end of tomorrow, hopefully. So that's pretty much it for in here today. I'm gonna hop in this and head on up to our Dutchess yard. All right guys, I just pulled up to our Dutchess yard. I have this trailer here. We made it safe and sound, but it is 6:15, so it took me about 2 hours to get here. I thought I had this trailer pretty balanced the way I put everything on here, with the taller pile or the taller pallets in the front, two of the smaller ones in the back, and then the dumpster right in the middle. But I got on the throughway, and once I got above like 45 miles per hour, the trailer started swaying pretty bad. So I got off on the first exit and I ended up taking back roads pretty much the entire way up here, which ended up being about a 2-hour ride. I couldn't really go above 45 the whole way, so it was slow, but we made it. I'm gonna get this thing unstrapped, find our forklift. I think it's in this garage. I'd rather use that than one of the tool cats just because it's easier to move around, and we're gonna get these things unloaded real quick. All right, guys, we got everything unloaded and stacked over here down in the little parking area. I didn't feel like finding a real home for all of this right now. Plus, with that Doosan Forklift, Doosan, whatever it is, it's not the best in the dirt, so I didn't want to get too far off there. Also, side note, if anybody has one of these and they have experienced the issue where you're just driving and then it kind of just throws it in neutral and it beeps at you until you step on the brake, put it back in neutral, and then put it back into gear, can you tell me what we're doing wrong or how to avoid that? Because since we've gotten this thing, and we've only had it for, I don't know, 2 months maybe, ever since we've gotten it, it's been doing it to us, and it is a pain. If you saw me throwing my hands up in the air and the machine kind of just stopping, that is exactly why. But this is the machine here, so I'm sure all the Doosan, whatever they are, have the same safety sensor, whatever it is, in them. So if you know, leave a comment down below and let me know so we can stop dealing with that. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. Tomorrow we'll be back down at our shop doing more of the cleanup. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.